Okay. Learning target 2A, part 2. Now, this is perform a subtraction in each of the four bases. Decimal subtraction, 654 minus 321 equals 333. Binary subtraction is 1011 minus 0011. You take 1 minus 1 is 0, and then you take 1 minus 1 again, which is 0, and then 0 minus 0 is 0, and then 1 minus 0 is 1. Octal subtraction. Right here, I took the number 146 minus 067. You can't do 6 minus 7. So what you have to do is you have to borrow from the left column. You borrow from this 4, make that becomes a 3, and then you add 16. No, you actually add 8 because it's base 8 to 6. And 8 plus 6 equals 14. So I did 14 minus 7. And then you put down the 7. And now this will be 3 minus 6, but you can't do 3 minus 6. So you have to borrow once again. So this 1 becomes a 0. And then you add 8 plus the 3. 8 plus 3 equals 11. 11 minus 6 equals 5. And now 0 minus 0 is 0. And now it's the same thing for hexadecimal. I got this number 974B minus 587C. B minus C, can't do that because B minus C is 11 minus 12. You can't do that, so you gotta borrow. You gotta borrow from this column. So this 4 becomes a 3, and then you add 16 to 11 because B is 11, and you borrow from here, and that would be 27. So you take 27 minus 12 because C is 12, and then that equals 15. And then 15 is F. And then you take 3 minus 7. You can't do that. You got to borrow again from this 7 right here. So the 7 becomes a 6. And then you add 16 to the 3 because we're on base 16. That's 19. So then you take 19 minus 7. That equals 12. What's 12 in hexadecimal? C. 6 minus 8. Can't do that. You got to borrow. And then you add 16 to 6. 16 plus 6 equals 22. Then you take 22 minus 8, and 22 minus 8 is 14. What is 8? Or what is 14? 14 is E. Then you got 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5, everybody knows that is 3. So you got 3 E, C, F as your answer.